This classic oceanfront cottage has been lovingly maintained and updated. Lounge on stylish furnishings overlooking the Atlantic. The view is just as inspiring from the main living area. Contemporary furnishings in cool beach tones grace this space. Gather together for meals and beach tales. The efficient kitchen is just around the corner. Cordless plantation blinds can easily be adjusted to suit. New doors were installed in 2018, and 10 windows were replaced this year. Sea breezes flow across the thick dunes. Sturdy bulkheading reinforces the hardy vegetation. Viking Court Owners Association installed a new walkway to the beach in 2019. Fish Head's Bar and Grill is just steps away at the Outer Banks Pier. Viking Court has 150 feet of water frontage shared by just 6 cottages. Back inside, all new beds were added this year. This bedroom features an ensuite half bath. It features a mew vanity. This bedroom includes a mounted TV. All furnishings convey with the property. Catch the sunrise from your own bedroom. Soothing colors adorn bedroom walls. Twin beds provide flexible sleeping arrangements. Here is the hall bath. Washer and dryer are conveniently located on the main living level. The hot tub was just purchased in 2020.